Hey there, fellow creators. So today we have received Google AdSense PIN. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to apply for Google AdSense PIN in 2024. First things first, let's log into our Google AdSense account and I'll navigate you to the payment section. So please do watch this video till the end if you want to learn how to apply for Google AdSense PIN in 2024. Let me remove the side edges so we can see the AdSense PIN. So it's the pin. So let's put into the verification section and verify the pin. Let's click on submit button. So friends, we have completed both verification processes. Let's click on refresh button if this action button hasn't been gone away from your screen. Let's click on refresh button. So address verification has been completed. That's all for today's tutorial. So if you found this video informative, then please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment below in comment section that how was this video. Thank you.